Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to order at In-N-Out Burgers drive-thru. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your experience as smooth as possible. First, let's take a look at the standard menu. You'll find classic options like hamburger or cheeseburger, each topped with lettuce, tomato, onions, and In-N-Out's signature spread. If you're really hungry, go for a double double or a double cheeseburger. And pair your burger with in and out's famous square cut fries. This french fries here, you can get them as is or choose a special hack like animal style fries with melted cheese, grilled onions, and in and out spread. Now in and out has a secret menu. This is where the fun begins. You can customize your burger with options like double meat, just the beef patties, no cheese, or go big with 3x3 or 4x4 stack with extra patties and cheese. And if you want something lighter, order protein style to replace the bun with lettuce. Now, or you can go animal style for a double double cooked in mustard with pickles, grilled onions, and extra spread. For fries, you can go with fries light or a less fried option. So, and you can also choose fries well for extra crispy. And don't forget about the drink hacks. So let me quickly show that one. Yeah. Alright, so you can choose like robot beer float or a black and white shake combining chocolate and vanilla. So if you're craving something vegetarian, order the veggie burger, which is basically a grilled cheese without cheese, topped with lettuce, tomato, onion, mustard, ketchup, and pickles. And now that you know your options, let's order as you. So as you approach the drive-thru, make sure you're clear about your choices and whether you are ordering a classic or a custom hack. And make sure to be specific with your order. For example, say animal style fries or protein style burger, and don't be afraid to ask for extra toppings or in and out spread on the side. Keep your order simple, and if you're trying a secret menu item, be patient, they'll make your custom burger just the way you like it. And that's how you order at the In and Out drive-thru. Whether you stick to the classics or explore the secret menu, you're sure to enjoy a delicious meal.